Now, before y'all bully me about this like stupid comic dub that I did, just know I don't have a microphone. I'm just using my phone and my voice, raw editing, man. Cause like I'm broke. Also, credits to the original artists are pretty cool. You should go check them out totally. Okay, anyway, bye. Chew time! Oh, no. Are you okay?
Oh, sweet Neptune. Just how you're lying, don't be.
Chew time?
I'm fine.
Hell nah, man, this motherfucker crazy.
Fuck. I put my heart and soul into that scream, bro. Jesus Christ, my throat hurts.